Hey guys, it's Najam. So I picked myself one of these up. This is a USB Type-C flash drive from Samsung, and the reason I picked this up is because I thought it'd be a good idea to get one of those instead of this one. This is what I've been using, this abomination over here, and for the size of it, I just got it because it's a really small one. It's the size of this adapter, so that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and just unbox it, and we'll do a speed test, a brief speed test to see what sort of speeds we get, and that's all really to it. So it's pretty small. It's got this lanyard kind of thing here, and it's a USB Type-C connection, and I just want to put some videos on this so I can use them on, play them on multiple devices. But it is actually a bit thick. You can see that the design is a bit weird. I didn't actually see this on any of the leading pictures. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug this in, and we'll just do a speed test. Okay, I didn't even have to format this, and it's just working. So yeah, it's definitely showing up as 128 gigs. So I've been running some benchmarks on this USB stick, and I'm actually quite impressed with the speed that you get from it. So when you're using small samples or smaller file sizes, you do get a much faster speed, which is 250 megabytes per second read speed and approximately 60 megabytes per second write speed, which is actually pretty nice. And if you do have big files, which are like 1 gigabyte or above, then it slows down a little bit with the read speeds down to 200 megabytes per second. And for a flash drive, it's actually pretty nice as well. So after running a quick test on this drive, it seems like there's nothing wrong with it. So it's pretty nice. I do like it. It's very small. It's actually pretty fast as well.